Welcome back, students. In this class we continue chapter 12, exercise 12.1, some applications of trigonometry. So here we start the seventh question. Seventh question is, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of 20 mm high building or 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. So first we'll write down this in the pictorial or diagrammatic form. So we'll start the diagram. So we'll make it a triangle. For example, so there is a tower here. Consider a tower here above the building. So this will be our building. So we'll just write down height of the building. So here at the top of this building a transmission tower is fixed. Height of the building. Then here we name it as this one, B, and C is the building height or the building, or we can just write it is a building. On this top a transmission tower. Transmission tower is only this much, that is from here to here, and here to here is the building. So like this we'll give this name as D. So BC is building and DC is the transmission tower. From here, and the height is 20 meters. From here it is 20 meters. Next, so on top of the 20-meter high building and the elevation is to the bottom, that is from the ground. So we'll just draw a line. This is ground, and from here top of the elevation is, one is 60 degree. See, this is 60 degrees, and another one here, that is from the, it is the top of the tower. Then this from the top of the building it is 45 degrees. See, from the point of the ground the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission, that is, this is the top of the transmission tower and this is bottom of the transmission tower. So top it is how much? 60 degree, and bottom is 45 degrees. Then this is A. So first point is, so this is the pictorial or diagrammatic form of the question. So write down, let the height of building, height of the building will be what? BC is equal to 20 meters, and CD, height of the tower, height of the transmission tower, you can, this is H meters. We'll give it as a name H meters. And bottom of the tower is C. Okay, now angle CAB, that is angle CAB is equal to 45 degrees, and angle DAB is equal to how much? 60 degrees. Now we consider in the triangle ABC. So consider this triangle ABC. So tan theta, that is tan theta how much? 45 degrees. This one we have to consider this triangle. So this one, AB with 45 degrees. So tan theta is equal to how much? CB by AB. CB by AB. So now what is tan theta? Tan theta is 45 degrees. So CB is how much? CB is the height of the building, or so that is 20 meters by AB. We don't know this one. Find the height of the tower. We have to find out this. Sorry, this one. Height of the tower H. And AB we don't know. Then AB is equal to cross multiply tan 45 is 1 is 20 by AB. Cross multiply this. Therefore AB is equal to, we get 20 meters. So this one, that is this the diagram, and these are the elevations, and this is the building, this is the tower B, C, D and A. This is 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and we calculated this one, and we are getting this as 20 meters. So this is the first part of the question. Now we move on to the next. So next means another triangle. We have to consider one more triangle. So I'll write the diagram once again. So this is the question. B, C, D, E. We got this as 20 meters. And this one has 20 meters, and this we don't know, H we have to calculate. This is 45 degrees and this is 60 degrees. Okay, now we consider one more triangle. In the triangle ADB. So tan theta is equal to, what is tan theta? That is, we have to consider this triangle with elevation 60 degree A, D and B. So tan theta is equal to here dB by AB. dB by AB. So tan theta will be tan 60 degrees is equal to, what is dB? See here dB is what? dB can be written as, I'll just write, dB can be written as BC plus DC or CD. So BC plus CD by AB. Now what is BC? BC is 20, substitute. What is CD? H. And what is AB? AB is 20. Then tan 60 is equal to root 3. So tan 60 is equal to root 3. So next, after this, now root 3 is equal to 20 by 20. Expand this H by 20. 20 cancels, then we get root 3 is equal to 1 plus H by 20. Now bring minus to the other side. Minus 1 is equal to H by 20. Therefore H is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meters. Therefore finally we have to write height of the transmission tower is equal to 20 root 3 minus 1 by M. That is this one, H. So this is the diagram. See here, this is A, B, C and D. This one is, we have to find out. So this is equal to 20 root 3 minus 1. This is how much they have given, 20. We calculated this one as 20 meters. So this is the solution for, this is 45 and this is 60 degrees. This is the solution for the question number 7. We move on to the question number 8. Question number 8 is a statue 1.6 meters tall stands on the top of the pedestal. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So we have to find out the height of the pedestal. So first to see this one, we'll write down the diagram here. It's the diagram. So height of this is the pedestal, somewhere here. This is the pedestal. So this will give PQ. First, this is a pedestal. With how much we don't know, therefore H meter will give. Then this is the pedestal, and this is the height. After this, what is the question? 1.6 stands on the a statue. Now the statue is there here, from here to here, statue with what is the distance? 1.6 meters. This is the statue from the point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue. Then from the ground, the angle of elevation will be how much? From 60 degrees. The angle of elevation top of the statue is 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Now here, from here, the angle of elevation will be how much? 45 degree. From here to the top, here top of the statue is, from the ground to the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from here top of the pedestal, the angle of elevation is, see the angle of same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the, from here only to the top of the pedestal is this will be 45 degrees, and give the point here O. So this is top of the pedestal, this is the statue, this is 1.6, and what is the name we have given? R here. Okay, now we'll start the problem. So what is PR is given as 1.6, that is the statue height. So now the angle POQ is equal to, POQ is how much? 45 degrees. Then angle ROQ is equal to 60 degrees. So now in the triangle OPQ, this one OPQ, so which is the triangle here? O. This is like this. This triangle OPQ with how much? 45 degrees. So now tan theta is equal to, here we have to find out tan theta. Tan theta will be PQ by OQ. PQ by OQ. OQ is equal to, then tan theta will be tan 45 degrees. PQ is how much? PQ we have the height H. This only we have to find out. So H by OQ we don't know. So tan 45 is 1 and H by OQ. So cross multiply. H is equal to OQ. Therefore, I will say OQ is equal to H meters. Therefore, we have OQ as H meters. So now we continue. We take one more triangle, that is triangle with 60 degrees. That is, this is the triangle, that is OQ. I am roughly writing with 60 degrees. Therefore, in the triangle ROQ, tan theta is equal to RQ by OQ. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is tan 60. RQ is what? RQ can be written as here. One more point is there, that is P. Therefore, RQ can be written as QP plus PR. This plus this is equal to this. So finally, substitute QP plus PR or RP. PR by OQ. Therefore, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is equal to root 3. So root 3 is equal to QP. We have to substitute. What is QP? QP was given as H and this is 1.6. Therefore QP is H plus, what is PR? 1.6 by OQ. OQ is what? Here substitute H we got. We calculated this as H. So substitute H. Now simplify. So we'll get, expand this H by H, this one expand, plus H plus 1.6 by H. Then H, after expanding H by H, 1.6 by H. H cancels. Now remaining is root 3 is equal to 1 plus 1.6 by H. Then cross multiply. Bring 1 to the other side. Therefore 1.6 by H is equal to root 3 minus 1. Then cross multiply, what we get? H into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. Therefore H is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Now rationalizing this one, we have 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Then we have to put here root 3 plus 1, since rationalization, plus 1. Take this and change the sign. Now simplify this. Now what happens? Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into minus root 3. 1 into, again 1 into is plus root 3. Then again 1 into 1 is minus 1. These two cancels. We get 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 as the answer. Simplification of this denominator. After rationalization, we always have to put this one by changing the sign. After this, 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by 2. Finally 2 ones are to 0.80. Then this is equal to 0. Into root 3 plus 1. So finally what we are getting the answer? That is, therefore height of the pedestal, H is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meters. So this is the solution of the, see, this is the final diagram. See, this was the, and like this is O, Q, P and R. This is 60 degree, this is 45 degrees, and this was the height we have to calculate. So this is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meters. And this was how much? 1.6 meters. And this one what we got is h meters. So this is the solution we found out by solving this problem. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.